I'm into this velocity model of cash flow building. I want to get the money back out and working its hardest. Look at all of your goals with investing. Investing can do so much for us. Notes are really great for shorter time periods, whereas most multifamily syndications are on this like 3 to 5, 5 to 7 year cycle. And then certainly long-term buy and hold rental properties, you're probably trying to hold them for much longer than 5 years. But notes are often out in a year or so, give or take. So you have a shorter capital turn time. Notes can also, just like fix and flipping property, can yield a pretty good return in that time period. I see the notes business as really scalable. You're going to do better if you go bigger, similar to why people get into big apartment complexes. You know, a lot of it is the discount that we purchase these notes at. The more that I buy at one time, the steeper the discount. Notes are a great way to diversify your portfolio across different markets. But instead of owning an apartment building with 200 units, you could own 200 notes, and those are all in different markets. So it's really well risk mitigated across that different market spectrum. Learn a little bit more about notes. Learn about this like very high touch way. Owning a performing note or two in your IRA is like the purest form of mailbox money. Let's look at some new creative models of wealth building. It comes down to that fundamental principle of like partner with the people who know what they're doing in this space. Just like in multifamily, you don't have to learn it all to get started. Partner with someone who knows what they're doing. Even experienced real estate investors are like, a note? What? Why would I want to buy a note? How does it cash flow? What do you mean you're flipping it? It's paper. If I can show you that I can get your money working really hard in a shorter period of time, I know that you're going to want to come back for more and more and more. This is paradise. Does anyone see this? No, you can't unless you know how to get there, unless you have the guide to get there. You are worth making a lot of money because you can do incredible good in this world with that money. Let's look at some new creative models of wealth building.